sorry. I'm always wrong with screen share. Screen share the what is that? Video record. That I always get wrong with that because I don't usually record on my video.
Yes, that.
Okay, who's that? Okay.
Record po eno rồi. Nhưng mà không record điểm đây nào rồi. Rồi record tính ta ta rồi là.
Okay, so phrases. Phrase trang một sao về phrase là sự cái sự cụ thể đấy. Phrases. What is phrases? Phrases is a group of words. It makes sense but not complete sense. Makes sense. Sense là đây bé xí hoặc là nói lại luônရတယ်. But not complete sense. That may appear so mahou. So we call it phrases, right? And it is one or more words that form a meaningful grammatical unit within a clause. Sa jang de jang ma clause ka le sa jang subject by verb by. Clause ta khu di sa jang de jang ma so yin di phrase ka pa la de sa long ta long the po pi do pa de ta khu ko noun pa de ta khu ko phrases lo call it. So what is the phrases here? So here you can see the example. The sun rises in the east. So in the east ka zagazu ta khu phit de. So 1, 2, 3. How many words? 3 words. So we call it phrases. And if you use only one, I and in, talong ne tong ne so in daga sagalong talong te 1 word. In the 2 words. East. In the east. In the east. So how many words? 1, 2, 3.
3 words.
Tong long talong share jago dago phrase look zagazu. So if you use only east, east talong ne tong ne so in daga word, W-O-R-D word, so it's a group of words. So a suit ko pyora. Tu a zoo long ba ma tu a day be yara. So in the east. So the kulong a shape so in the east. So in the east. So how many words? 3 words. So the 3 was ma pa phrases ma. The 3 was in ma pa the east net tong a day be ga ma pi so. But in the east so a shape yara. ဒါပေမဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်တော့ရှိတယ်အရှိဖက်မှာဒါပေမဲ့အရှိဖက်မှာဆိုပြီးတစ်လုံးထည့်ရက်လို့ရလားမရဘူးအရှိဖက်မှာဘာဖြစ်တာလဲ the sun rises နော်နေထွက်တယ်ဆိုတော့ in the east တခုထဲကသူ့ကိုတော့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ရှိတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ပြည့်စုံတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်မဟုတ်ဘူး right in the east အရှိဖက်မှာဒါအဓိပ္ပာယ်ရှိတယ်အဲဒီအရှိဖက်မှာဘာဖြစ်တာလဲ in the sun rises in the east ဆိုတော့နေထွက်တယ်အရှိဖက်ကနေ so the ကြောင်းလုံးပါမှာဒါက complete ဖြစ်သွားတယ် right so this one in the east တခုထဲကိုတားထားတဲ့တခုကဒါကိုဘာလို့ခေါ်လဲ phrase လို့ခေါ်တယ်စကားစုလို့ခေါ်တယ် and then it was a sunset of great beauty စလုံးက3လုံးပါလာတယ် so this is also phrases we call it phrase တခုဖြစ်တယ်စကားစုဖြစ်တယ် it was a sunset နေဝင်တယ် of a great beauty okay of a great beauty လာပါတော့ရ great beauties so the tops okay sunset one no the tops of the mountains were covered with snow so the tops of the mountains of the mountains got freeze the coup down okay the top of the mountains were covered with snow so we call it free of the mountains so there are 3 words to call it phrases and show me how to do it. Show me how to do it. This is one phrase. So the phrase go Jime. A lot of people don't sleep at night. So people don't sleep at night. A lot of people, this is phrase, a lot of. So a lot of people don't sleep at night. So this is alone nega. Tu nienta thare ayama tu ma subject shila, mashibu, verb shila, mashibu. Deme sa jang the jang long ma subject verb shi bitabe. ဒါပေမဲ့ခုနမြင်သားထားတဲ့အရာတိုင်းမှာသူ့မှာ subject verb တွေရှိလားမရှိဘူးဒါကြောင့်စကားစုတစ်ခုပဲစကားစုလို့ခေါ်တယ်စကားစု phrase လို့ခေါ်တယ်အဓိပ္ပာယ်တော့ရှိတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ပြီးစုံတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်တော့မဟုတ်ဘူး right ဟုတ်ဘူး so ဒါကို phrase လို့ခေါ်တယ် Okay, so type of phrases. Phrases ka amyu sa go di ma nga myu pi tha pi de. Sa jaung ta jaung ma so yin ba phrase den la da le. Da ro khwe sia ro ma lo bu saga pyo de kha ma da ri khwe sia ma lo bu. But when you speak, you have to know that okay, phrase ka 3 ya ma la 3 ya ma la so da the po no. Da phrase so da shi de so da ti yong lang po no. Because when you speak, you just speak automatically. You don't have time to think about that. Think about noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase that sends out for the speaking. But you have to know these are the phrases. We also use these phrases in the sentences. So noun phrase don't ne, verb phrase don't ne, adjective phrase don't ne, adverb phrase don't ne, prepositional phrase don't ne. So our phrase tema nga myu shi e, adiga nga myu ne don't ne, phrases tema, figazuma. So the first one, noun phrase. Noun phrase ka noun ni ne tong na, nan ni ne tong na, right? Sa jang ta jang ma noun phrase to noun phrase ne tong ne sa jang shi ye, adjective phrase to adverb phrase to prepositional phrase to da ne tong ne sa jang ni amya shi ye. It can be single noun. Talong the noun pa la le phit nai ne. A group of words. Sagalong talong tha pu ra. Sagazu ta khu le phit nai ne. Be na ma pat de ha le noun ye be pa pat le ma shi de salong. Now ya matang ki ma le phit nai ne, now ya anaw ma le phit nai ne, now ya achi anaw le phit nai ne. Da go noun phrase to call. So for example, animals need water. So animals ka noun. So talong de be da noun phrase. Talong de pa noun phrase. We ate, notice the last sandwich. We ate sandwich le tong ya de. The last sandwich ka noun phrase ta ku ko tong tha de. The last sandwich. Now song chen ni sandwich ko sa ge, right? The last sandwich. So 1, 2, 3. Sandwich ka now. So sandwich ya shema the last she two words. So the now ye be ma le pa pa le ma she is alone you noun phrase lo call, right? And next, all the passengers with ticket can board now. Board so la yin bo tet lo ya bi. Aku yin bo tet nai bi. So be passengers new le khayi de be lo khayi de le. Passenger can board now. Khayi de mya a lo yin bo tet lo ya bi, le yin bo tet lo ya bi to pyo lo ya de. Da me be lo khayi de le. All the passenger with tickets.
All the passenger
with tickets. So that phrase to noun phrase to kude. Below passenger mule lemma shi de complete passenger di along go. Yatha bo tet lo ya bi, ka bo tet lo ya bi, le bo tet lo ya bi. Okay? Yet di lemma pa de lu di along. So passenger is the passenger, right? It's a key there.
Subject
so
there.
Now phit de passenger now da me now ye shi ma on there. Now ma with tickets. Da ma tu adai bet ta khu long pi song da. Tu twet noun twet ta khu te sagazu ta khu twet. So we call it noun phrase. So more than one word. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 words for these phrases. Okay, this phrase, this noun phrase. So do you understand noun phrase?
Yes.
The sentence they vary maybe sentence subject predicate ti bi ta di ma so sentence predicate subject animal predicate need water, right? That's all. Sentence ka ba le ti bi da affirmative sentence da question sentence affirmative sentence, right? So sentence they pyo sam lo ro. So this is called noun phrase. Another one, verb phrase. Verb phrase ro ba pa ya ma le. Verb right? So we need verb.
Wow.
So it consists of the main verb and auxiliary verb. For example, he didn't call his parents last night. Call got verb. So main verb ko tong na verb phrase so that auxiliary verb. So helping verb ko no kunyi pe de verb ti phit de didn't do da so yin da verb phrase ta ku phit de. Da past tense ne tong na. And then we've been working since January. January kre alo lo de working verb phit de. Da me verb ta ku the tong lo me ya to present perfect continuous have been tu be na ma pa la de auxiliary verb. Da jaung mo di ta khu long ko line ta tha ta khu long ko verb phrase lo call it. And next, I should have bought a box of chocolate. Any box of chocolate go nga we khet tin right? So bought got we get it, right? Should lo tin de we khet tin de should have. So should have got auxiliary verb. It got the bought go they are helping this one, all right? So this is called verb phrase. Okay, so do you understand verb phrase?
Yeah.
Okay, so jaung ni sentence ka ti twa bi so do da ga the ma pian pi yo khwe chan sai phya bi pian li la, right? Okay, another one. What is adjective phrase? It can be single adjective or a group of adjective. around single adjective single be is adjective ye be na ma shi ya la phit nai ne talong ne la phit nai ne he has clever ideas so clever is an adjective to do kaung do a chen yan shi ye right it was a very delicious dinner it was a delicious dinner a very delicious dinner
very long cao do long ya la shi do
so the adjective go to a pan bo pi tha pan that pi do bo no okay so we call this adjective phrase because this is two words talong that bo do phrase lo call it and the students were really bored with this film ga zaka di zaka go tu ga they are really bored so la pian yi ni ngui phwe kaung na right I'm bored nga pian or no I nga ni ngui so the students are really bored with the film so this is all this adjective with tuma papal bepal le ma shi sa ka long ni pa de twe chaung mo the adjective ta khu long ko adjective phrase lo call it right okay so the noun phrase le pi twa bi verb phrase sa jang ta jang ma noun phrase le shi de verb phrase le shi de adjective phrase le shi de okay another one the adverb phrase adverb phrase right adverb talong de le phit nai ne talong the po da le phit nai ne da talong the po de ha ko phrases lo call it da talong ne phit nai ne tong long ne phit nai ne right he spoke saka pyo de softly so da nu nyan tai ngui so pyo de very softly so da talong the po do underline lo tha da ka adverb phrase and then he did it as fast as possible fast ka le adverb so at how so at first is possible so this is also adverb phrase she works like shout very slowly works very slowly this is adverb phrase so talong the ma po la talong the po de aya are the adverb they go adverb phrase to correct so di sa jang ko be ba pyan lok da le pyan pi yo khaw da blo ba ga blo khaw le so saka pyo de kha ma blo la le right so you have to know all of this to make a sentence you have to know all of these phrases. And then the last one is prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases ka niya pya de niya. So prepositions ra niya pya put de. A tema apo ma be ma aw ma ai di chaung ya ri ho no about or behind or in under. That is a prepositional phrase. It begins with a preposition. Ba ne amye sa le preposition niya pya put ne amye sa le. Da me any preposition so that a tema a tema auma dariga banet twele so connects with noun ne under the table on the table is right so the preposition phrase ka noun ne preposition ne twele the windows were behind the large brown sofa behind and now ma be and now ma a large brown sofa so a large brown sofa is a noun. So preposition and noun comes together. So this is called prepositional phrase. Right? And they were arguing about money, about preposition, about what? About money.
You told me about money.
Okay, about money, arguing. So argue. And next, in the end, we all have to die. So in the end, in the end.
The end.
Preposition and plus noun. Connect with the noun. In the end, we all have to die. So this is called prepositional phrase. Okay? So here. So now I talk about number 1, noun phrase. Number 2, verb phrase. Number 3, adjective phrase. Number 4, adverb phrase. Number 5, prepositional phrase.
Prepositional phrase.
Okay, sajang ta jang ko pyo me. Sajang ta jang tui le no. Di sajang ta jang ko pian pi yo khwe chan sait cha ma da jang mo phrase ka ba lo tin ya ta le so do we have to make sentence. So it's the table below show all the 5 phrases type. The phrase type with singular. And then he's jumping over the very lazy dog as fast as possible. Right? If you translate in Myanmar like that. So he got subject, right? Subject, verb, object. How do you know? Okay. Noun phrase ka noun right? Noun phrase he. Okay. Verb phrase ka ba le? Verb ka jumping. jump in နဲ့တွဲတာက
jumping
is ဆိုတဲ့ helping verb ကသုံးတာဆိုတော့ verb phrase ဖြစ်တယ် over the very lazy dog over ဆိုတာကအပေါ်မှာဆိုတော့ဒါပါလေ preposition ဆိုတော့
provisional
ဒီတစ်ခုလုံးကိုဒီတစ်ဆက်လုံးအပြာရောင်အကုန်ပေးထားတဲ့တစ်ဖွဲ့လုံးဒီတန်းလေးဒီထိ over the very lazy dog ဒါပါ phrase လဲ prepositional phrase as fast as possible adverb phrase မြန်နိုင်တဲ့လောက်မြန်ပါစေ so this is adverb phrase ဆိုတော့နောက်တစ်ခုနောက်ပြီးပြန်ခွဲမယ် noun phrase ကိုပြန်ချက်ကြည့်မယ် the very lazy dog ဘယ်လို dog မျိုးလဲ the very lazy dog noun phrase တစ်ခုဖြစ်တယ် very lazy dog နောက်တစ်ခု very lazy lazy က adjective မလားဟုတ်တယ် very lazy ကိုပဲဒီမှာတွေ့လားဒီမြေကားထားတာဒီခရမ်းရောင်လေးနဲ့ so this is adjective phrase so how many phrases do you need to make one sentence so you have to use all the phrases to make one complete sentence ကိုလုပ်တဲ့အခါမှာ so sentence ကဘာလဲမဟုတ်တော့ predicate subject တွေကတည်ပြီးသွားပြီအခုကတကြောင်တိလေးတွေပြန်ထွက်ထုတ်မှာ phrases တွေပါလာတယ် right so there are 1 2 3 4 5 how many phrases can you see the sentence here
1 2 3 4 5
5 phrases ဆိုတော့ဒီ table နဲ့လောက်ထားပေးတာ right table နဲ့ခွဲထားတာစာကြောင်းပဲတစ်ကြောင်းပဲပါလဲတစ်ကြောင်းထဲကို table နဲ့ phrases တွေကိုခွဲခြားပြထားတာ right to make it clear for you to understand ပို့ပြီးတော့နားလည်အောင် phrases တွေကဘာကြောင့်သင်ရတယ်လဲဆိုတော့ you have to know this basic အခြေခံတော့ကိုကသိရတယ်ပေါ့နော် to make sentences sentence တွေအားလုံးမသိဆောက်ခင်ပါ right we need to know these phrases okay do you understand this example
1 2 3 4
now phrase ကနှစ်ခုကပါတယ်ဒီအရှင်းမှာ subject မှာ now ခရမ်းရောင်ကအောက်မှာ very lazy တွေ့လား very lazy နဲ့တစ်ကွက်ထဲဝင်တဲ့ဟာ
ဟုတ်တယ်လေအဲကြောင့်မို့6ခုပေါ့
အခု now phrase ကနှစ်ခါပါနေတာဟိုမှာ subject မှာတစ်ခါဒီကြားထဲမှာ object မှာတစ်ခါ
ဒီကြားထဲမှာတစ်ခါပါဟုတ်ပြီ
ဆိုတော့ now phrase ကနှစ်ခုဖြစ်နေတာ so this is 5 phrases okay
yeah
okay now let's look at here this is example of noun phrase first phrase okay ဆိုတော့တစ်ခုလုံးဆိုရင် a red box noun phrase I will go will go verb phrase quite big adjective phrase very slowly adverb phrase in the car prepositional phrase okay not phrases phrase prepositional phrase sorry okay this is the end prepositional prepositional phrase ဒီမှာ s တစ်လုံးပို့သွားတယ် right you just type in error okay so can you see example okay this is the assignment 1 write 5 sentences for each type of phrase phrase 5ခုကိုစာကြောင်း5ကြောင်းပဲရေးပြီးတော့ဘာ phrase လဲဆိုတာမြင်သာသွားလိုက်ဆိုတော့5ကြောင်း assignment 1 5ကြောင်းပဲရေးခိုင်းတာ right 5 sentences for each type of phrase phrase တစ်ခုချင်းစီပုံစံဆိုရင် noun phrase နဲ့စာကြောင်းတစ်ကြောင်းရေးလိုက် noun phrase ကိုမြင်သာပြီးမယ်နောက်တစ်ကြောင်းရေးမယ် verb phrase ကိုမြင်သာပြီးမယ်နောက်တစ်ကြောင်းရေးမယ်ကိုယ့်ဘက်ကိုစာကြောင်းတူညီတဲ့တစ်ကြောင်းမို့တစ်ကြောင်းပြီးတစ်ကြောင်းစဉ်းစား making your sentence ပြီး adjective phrase adverb phrase နဲ့စာကြောင်းပဲတစ်ကြောင်းလဲ5ကြောင်းဆိုတော့ this is assignment 1 and assignment 2 က draw 5 tables to show all 5 phrase type as single clause ခုနတုန်းကဒီစာကြောင်းလိုမျိုး
table နဲ့ပြတဲ့ဟာ
ခုနပြတဲ့ table တွေ့လား
တွေ့တယ်
ကို table စာကြောင်းတစ်ကြောင်းပဲရေးခိုင်းတာဒါပေမဲ့ you have to make a table ကိုယ့်ဘက်ကိုခွဲထုတ်လိုက်ပါ phrase ကဘယ်နှခုပါလဲ right so you can make your own sentence this is assignment 2 only 2 assignment 1 5 sentences for 5 phrases right 5 phrases assignment 2 1 sentence for all the phrases တွေအားလုံးကိုပြန်ခွဲထုတ်ခိုင်းတာ right do you understand that
nah
okay so this is about phrases phrase do you understand phrases phrase အကြောင်းနားလည်လားစကားစုအကြောင်း
နားလည်ပါတယ်
နားလည်ပြီ
okay because this is the easy one right okay
yeah
so this is about phrases and now I'm going to show you another one is clause အကြောင်းပြောတော့မယ်ခုန phrase ကတော့လွယ်တယ်အဓိကပါလဲ noun phrase တဲ့ adjective phrase adverb phrase
တဲ့နောက်တစ်ခါ
verb phrase တဲ့ prepositional phrase ဒီ5ခုပါတယ်စာကြောင်းတစ်ကြောင်းရေးတဲ့အခါမှာဒါတွေကကိုသိရမယ်စာကြောင်း right okay so do you understand that one
Yeah.
okay
Yes.
so now I will continue with the clause right clause ကိုပြန်ပြောမယ်စာကြောင်းကိုပြန်ပြောမယ်